Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Welcome back once again, guys. You're watching Moto Madness, and it's time to ride. The old 100-mile-per-hour tank slapper. A nice recovery, though. Reckless overtakes, something all bikers need to be ready for all the time. Riding down the freeway, Dave witnessed a pickup truck collide into the barrier and lose a wheel. Overtaking on double yellow lines, a surefire way to anger any seasoned biker. Unable to make the corner, the biker ahead takes a spill into the drain and causes his friend to crash in the process.
Oh.
Although falling onto dirt, the biker sustained a broken collarbone during the fall.
You right?
With both bikes down in the middle of the road on a blind corner, it's good to see that traffic is able to stop safely without any further incident.
I'm good. I don't know. You alright?
Loose gravel and road tires, just not a good mix and the reason for many a fallen motorcycle.
Oh no. Fucking sand, man. I should have known.
India. With so much chaos on the roads, it is possibly the most dangerous place in the world to ride. Note the three guys ahead, riding one motorcycle, wearing no helmets and evading police orders to stop. Just what could go wrong? With so much chaos on the roads and seemingly distracted, it appears the three guys on one motorcycle were unable to pass a truck correctly and came to a death-defying halt. It was probably at this point they wished they were wearing helmets. Not much can be said about this one except we hope they were okay. The full clip is linked in the description. The MV Agusta F3, such an amazing sounding bike, at least till the engine blows. Note the flashing light on the dash. Yep, that means game over. With no choice but to pull over, it's all bad news for this biker. Reckless S1K got an unexpected surprise while racing against his buddy. His buddy gets in front, signaling for S1K to pull over. Something is wrong. He signals for biker to kill the engine.
I don't know what, I felt the bike shake.
The drain bolt on the oil pan of his bike had actually came loose, falling out and spraying oil all over the rear wheel. With a rear wheel coated in oil, he was very lucky not to wreck.
You win!
No, bueno.
You win!
Yeah!
Okay, no problem.
Failure to give way. Time for a few friendly words of advice.
You need to be more careful.
I'm sorry.
Look very closely.
I didn't see you. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
That's all fine and dandy when no accident occurs, but sometimes sorry just doesn't cut it. A fortunate slide for this guy. He seemed to walk away from the fall unharmed. His bike ended up coming to a halt at the back of a bus parked further down the road.
Beep.
It's not quite understood why this biker fell going through the roundabout. An oil patch on the road, perhaps?
It's the second time this happened. I got to record it live.
Gooning about on dirt bikes, let's face it, it's sure to produce a few laughs now and then. The old one-hander wheelie drag into the bushes. Nailed it.
Put your belly away. That's what I wanted. Thank you. Oh. That was nice. Redemption!
Two Up was riding casually when he spotted a school bus lose a tire while driving.
That bus just lost a tire, bro. Look at that. Whoa. That bus just lost a tire, dog.
Concerned, he drives to the bus to check everyone is okay.
Are you okay? I think she said she's alright. She's probably nervous. You good? You're good? Okay. Dude, that's crazy, huh?
The tire was thrown from the opposite lane to the other. Amazingly, nobody was hit.
White and Rossford, and she was going straight, and I could see that she was to the left of me, and I could see that tire was angled out.
Oh.
And I'm like, oh my God, the tire that I'm talking to my daughter, and I'm like, oh my God, this tire on the school bus is angled out, like it's got a broken tie rod, but I don't know if they have them.
I saw something flying in the air. I was like, oh, shit, I should hide behind this car.
Pay attention or get the bird. Jay from the UK spotted some ladies broken down, so decided to do what bikers do best and help.
Do you want me to push you off this thing so you're out there? Huh? Yeah, just stay neutral and I'll push you towards that, okay?
There ain't no better way to test your fitness than pushing a broken down car fully geared up.
You still got my bike out?
Now to get the bike. The car is off the road and the women are safe. Well done, Jay.
Girl,
Good.
that is a workout. And those voices, you
Huh? No, it's alright, I'm going now. Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. Another magnificent collection of clips for your viewing pleasure. Shout out to all those who allowed their clips to be featured. You can find links to the original videos in the description. Till next time, see ya.